In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drop shadow to text in Adobe Illustrator if you want to give your text more depth and make it stand out from the background. Adding a drop shadow is a quick and effective way to do it. Illustrator makes this process very simple, and once you know where the setting is, you can fine-tune the shadow to match the exact style you want. To begin, select your text using the selection tool. You can do that by clicking the black arrow tool or simply pressing V on your keyboard. Make sure the text object itself is selected before moving on, because the effect will only be applied to whatever is currently highlighted. Once your text is selected, go to the top menu and click Effect. From there, find Stylize, hover over it, and then choose Drop Shadow. As soon as you click it, the Drop Shadow dialog box will open. This is where you'll control the appearance of the shadow. Before adjusting anything, make sure Preview is checked. This is very helpful because it lets you see your changes in real time on the artboard. Instead of guessing what the settings will look like, you can immediately judge whether the shadow is too strong, too soft, too far away, or just right. Now you can start adjusting the settings. The mode setting controls how the shadow blends with the artwork underneath. This affects the overall visual style of the shadow. Opacity controls how dark or light the shadow appears. If you want a subtle effect, lower the opacity. If you want the shadow to be more noticeable, increase it. Next, adjust the X offset, which moves the shadow left or right, and the Y offset, which moves it up or down. These two settings determine where the shadow appears in relation to the text. Small offset values usually create a clean, realistic effect, while larger values can make the shadow feel more dramatic. The blur setting controls how soft the edges of the shadow are. A low blur gives you a sharper shadow, while a higher blur creates a softer, more diffused look. You can also choose the shadow's color and darkness, which gives you more control over the final appearance. For example, you don't always have to use pure black if you want a softer design. Once everything looks the way you want, click OK to apply the shadow, and that's it. Your text now has a drop shadow in Adobe Illustrator. If needed, you can always reopen the effect and refine the settings until it looks just right.